Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. We're diving into the world of Phil.us today, exploring its features and how it can be a valuable tool for you. The platform, accessible at https://phil.us, offers a unique approach to. Unfortunately, the provided text ends abruptly, leaving us with just the website address. To provide a thorough rewrite and maintain the length while adhering to the requested style, I'll elaborate on potential features and benefits that a site like Phil.us might offer, while keeping in mind that this is hypothetical and based on common website functionalities. Phil.us could be your all-in-one solution for managing digital information. Imagine a centralized hub for your notes, files, and web clippings. This platform might offer a seamless way to organize your thoughts, connect ideas, and build a personal knowledge base. Perhaps Phil.us employs a graph database, allowing you to visually link concepts and discover new relationships between your ideas. This could revolutionize your workflow, fostering creativity and deeper understanding. Think of the possibilities. You could be researching a new project and instantly connect your findings to existing notes. Or maybe you're brainstorming and need a space to visually map out your thoughts. Phil.us could be the perfect tool. It could also offer features like collaborative workspaces, allowing you to share your knowledge and build projects with others in real time. Imagine the potential for seamless teamwork and knowledge sharing. Beyond just note-taking, perhaps Phil.us offers integration with other productivity tools. Imagine syncing your calendar, to-do lists, and even project management software all within one platform. This streamlined approach could save you valuable time and keep you focused on what matters most. Moreover, Phil.us could prioritize security and privacy. Your data could be encrypted and protected, giving you peace of mind knowing that your information is safe. With robust privacy controls, you can decide who has access to your work. Finally, the platform might be designed with a clean, intuitive interface, making it easy to use and navigate. Whether you're a seasoned digital organizer or just starting out, Phil.us could be a valuable addition to your toolkit. While this is speculative, based solely on the provided URL, it illustrates the kind of comprehensive rewrite that's possible. If you have more information about Phil.us, please share it so I can provide a more accurate and detailed rewrite. Remember to visit https://phil.us to explore the platform for yourself. Let us know in the comments what you think. And don't forget to subscribe to Rome Tech for more insightful content.